In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated background in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. Figma is a powerful design tool that allows you to create not just static images, but also dynamic elements like animated backgrounds. This can really elevate your designs and get your viewers' attention. First things first, we need to set up our workspace. Open Figma and start by creating a new frame. This is where our animated background will come to life. Next up, let's write some text that will sit on top of our background. Keep it simple and make sure it has room to breathe. Once you've written your text, you want to select the entire frame. Now let's give it some flair by adding a gradient fill. You can achieve this by selecting a dark color on one side of the frame and a lighter shade on the opposite end. This gradient will serve as the foundation for your animated background. Once you've set your gradient, copy that frame. You'll now create another frame, but this time we're going to modify the gradient. Select the new frame and switch the gradient so it transitions from the lighter side to the darker side. This switch will create a complementary effect, making it ideal for animation. Now it's time to really make things interactive. With both frames created, select them and navigate to the Component Set option. This is where you can turn those frames into interactive components. With your components ready, we can start adding some animation. Click on your component set, and you'll have options to add delays and choose various animation patterns. Take your time to play around with the settings until you find an animation that suits your design best. Once you're satisfied with the animation pattern, the next step is to position your component within your project. Drag the new animated component from the Assets panel into your workspace. Just like that, your animated background is almost done. To ensure everything flows seamlessly, you now need to add a flow start point. This is important because it indicates where the animation will begin. Finally, you can preview your design to see how everything comes together in action. It's really satisfying to watch your background animation play out, isn't it? And there you have it. You've just created an animated background in Figma. This process not only enhances your project, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities in your design work. Remember, the key to mastering any design tool is practice. Don't hesitate to experiment with different colors, text, and animation styles. As you continue to create, you'll gain a better understanding of what works best for your unique design needs. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and happy designing in Figma.